Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC08 from the mains to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the motor housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the motor and the filter. Take a moment to inspect the filter. If it appears dirty or clogged, it's a good idea to replace it at this stage. To remove the motor, locate the 2 screws that hold it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor upwards to detach it from the housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. You may need to disconnect these by gently pulling the connectors apart. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation and guide you through the repair. Now, with the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new motor into the housing, ensuring it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Reconnect any wires that were detached earlier, making sure they are secure. Next, replace the screws to secure the motor in place. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the motor is stable. After this, it's time to replace the filter. Simply slide the new filter into its designated slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Before reassembling the motor cover, it's advisable to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Dyson. Now, place the motor cover back onto the vacuum, aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover in place. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the base and pressing down until you hear a click. Plug your Dyson back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. With your Dyson DC08 now fully reassembled, you can enjoy a cleaner home with a vacuum that works like new. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance significantly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.